What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install apps on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now this video is not only going to show you how to install apps from the Hisense Vidaa App Store. Towards the end of the video, I am also going to give you a workaround solution to install even Android apps into your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now first things first, to simply install apps on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV from the Vidaa App Store, what you just want to do is to scroll down to this list of apps over here and then just scroll towards the end of the list of apps, and then you want to go ahead and click on App Store over here. So just go ahead and click on App Store, and this is going to open up the Hisense Vidaa App Store on your Smart TV. And at this point, you're going to see different apps that are available on the Hisense Vidaa App Store. So you can go ahead and just select the app you actually want to download into your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now take for instance, if I want to download and install the Crunchyroll app, I'll just simply click on it, just like so, and then just go ahead and click on install. And it's just going to take a minute or two, and the Crunchyroll app will be downloaded and installed into my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now, to find the Crunchyroll app we just downloaded and installed into our Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, I can just come over to the home over here, and from the home I can just scroll down to the list of apps over here again, and then just scroll horizontally until I get to more apps over here. Click on it, and then from here you can literally see the Crunchyroll app we just downloaded and installed into our Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now that is just a simple way to download and install apps on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you're actually looking at downloading and installing Android apps into your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, then you definitely will need to get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now the reason for this is basically because the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV over here actually runs the Vidaa operating system, and what that means is that you can't actually run Android apps except you have a device that gives your TV the Android operating system it needs to run Android apps. Now this particular device is very cheap and affordable, and I have made a complete tutorial on how to set it up and connect it to your TV, so you can go ahead and watch that video in the description of this video or on your screen. And once this device is set up and connected to any of the HDMI ports on your TV, you can now go ahead and change the input source of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV to the same HDMI port where that particular device is plugged on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Mine is actually plugged in HDMI 1, and you can literally see the Android environment it actually gives my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So if I come over to the list of apps over here, you can literally find the Google Play Store over here, and from the Google Play Store I can go ahead and download and install any Android app that is available on the Google Play Store into my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV and use the app as though it is originally from the Hisense TV. That'll be all on how to download and install apps on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.